Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jubal. Hey, this is just a follow-up video to the LinkedIn hack that I posted last week. That hack showed you how to generate a link that you could send to hiring managers, which when they click on it will give them a list of their first degree LinkedIn contacts that meet specific criteria. So it's basically sending them a pre-configured search of their LinkedIn contacts. Okay, if you haven't yet watched that video, here's a link to it. Watch that. It's 4 minutes, and this video will make a lot more sense. So, assuming that you've watched that video, now what I'm going to do is show you how to put that link into action, how to distribute it. Okay, so right now we're looking at mylinkedin.com, not LinkedIn Recruiter. This is just my free account. We're looking at my first degree connections that are technical recruiters in the Bay Area. Okay, so you can see I've selected only my first degree connections. Keywords, Boolean, GitHub, or social. I want people that are doing some things kind of advanced. Title, current title, recruiter, sourcer, or talent acquisition. Okay, company, not Workday, right? I just want to see people that aren't currently working with me, and within 50 miles of the 94588 zip code. Okay, so I've run this search. I've got 47 results. Now, if I take this URL and send it to anyone, when they click on it, they will see the results for this query, but of their first degree connections. Okay, so you can do it in an email, you can do it in an in-mail, but you can also do it via social media. And it's not just for hiring managers, it's really to anybody. So I just wanted to kind of walk through how I use this, and maybe give you some more ideas of how to actually engage potential referral sources with this. So I've copied this URL. I'm going to go to bit.ly, bit.ly.com, and shorten it. So I've already shortened it, and this is what it gave me: linked.in/1TEE capital ELM. So that short link will redirect to the LinkedIn.com results. And then all I need to do is go to, so the LinkedIn link, here, I'll just show you. If I go to this LinkedIn URL, so that's the link I'm going to send to people, it redirects to this same page. Okay, so anybody that clicks on that is going to see the results for this, but for their first degree connections. Okay, so then I just have to distribute it, right? And that's just as easy as putting it in a status update. So go back to your LinkedIn homepage and just post it here and say, who do you know on this list that may be interested in these jobs? And I've got my bit.ly link that goes to our HR and recruiting jobs. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this to my network, and I'm going to say, hey, click on here. It'll take you to your first degree connections that are sources and recruiters. Take a look and compare them to this bit.ly link, the jobs posted on this bit.ly link, and let me know who's a fit. Okay, I'll show you what that bit.ly link looks like, what my bit.ly for my jobs looks like. Okay, so these are Workday's human resources jobs. We're hiring lots of recruiters and lots of sourcers. So if you know anybody, send them my way. So then when you post it out to LinkedIn, here's what it'll look like. So here's one that I posted earlier. Hey, Bay Area recruiters, who do you know on this list? Here's the LinkedIn link to the search results that may be interested in these jobs. And then I added some more content here. So when they click on here, it'll take them to these search results, but for their first degree connections. These are mine, obviously, but for theirs. And then hopefully they'll match them up against my jobs, and I'll get referrals. I mean, it should provide quadruple the referrals that you typically get just by saying, hey, who do you know? You can post it on Twitter too. Hey, Bay Area recruiters, who do you know on this list? Here's the LinkedIn search list that may be interested in these jobs. So you could do the same thing. I mean, I could do this all day long for Java developers, DevOps, account executives, whatever. As long as you've got this link to the search results and this link to your jobs, it's the 2 call to actions you need in 140 characters or less. So hope that helps. Of course, you can also email this, in-mail it, whatever. But it's just, the point here is it's not just for hiring managers. It's anybody that you think has these first degree contacts. If they can compare that list to the list of jobs, they'll help you find matches. So hope it helps. Hit me up if you have any questions, or if you have any ideas of other ways that you could distribute this type of link. Thanks.